How to paint a door. Whether you're looking to update the color of an existing door or give a new door a fresh coat of paint, this practical guide will walk you through the process step by step. Remove the door from its hinges if possible, or if you're painting in place, protect the surrounding area with a drop cloth or newspaper. Clean and degrease the door thoroughly with a damp rag and a paint cleaner. If the door has existing paint that is in good condition, lightly sand the surface to roughen it up and promote adhesion. If the door is bare wood, plastic or metal, apply a coat of appropriate primer and allow it to dry completely before proceeding. Use painter's tape to mask off any areas you don't want to paint, such as hinges, hardware, and adjacent walls. Place a drop cloth or newspaper underneath the door to catch any drips or spills. Stir the paint thoroughly to ensure it is well mixed. Start by painting the recessed or detailed areas of the door, such as panels or moldings, using a smaller brush for precision. Next, use a larger brush or paint roller to apply paint to the flat, smooth areas of the door, working in long, even strokes in the direction of the wood grain. Apply paint to one side of the door at a time, allowing each coat to dry completely before flipping the door over to paint the other side. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying times between coats. Apply additional coats to achieve a more impact-resistant layer. Once the final coat of paint is dry, carefully remove the painter's tape. Touch up any areas that may have been missed or require additional coverage. If necessary, lightly sand any rough spots or imperfections with fine grit sandpaper, then wipe the door clean with a tack cloth or damp rag. Reattach the door to its hinges and reinstall any hardware that was removed. Allow the paint to cure fully before closing the door or subjecting it to heavy use, typically 24 to 48 hours depending on the type of paint used. Choose a high-quality paint and primer for best results, especially if the door will be exposed to moisture or heavy wear. Work in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and goggles, when handling paint and chemicals. Take your time and apply thin, even coats of paint to avoid drips and streaks. Consider adding a clear coat or sealer to protect the painted surface and extend the life of your door's finish. By following these simple steps and tips, you can paint a door like a pro and give your home a fresh new look that's sure to impress. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.